Fall is officially here. I got something to kick it off. I'm gonna do a chicken noodle soup. Let's get to it. It's JB Sutton Hands. So we got our vegetables. Want to chop these up. There's some celery. Make sure you wash this off real good. Like when I got it out the pack, it was real dirty. But we're gonna start out chopping the bottom of this off. These together, we're just gonna get this a nice little chop. I usually use 2 big carrots, but I'm probably gonna use 4 of these simply because they're kind of smaller than what I normally get. Just one at a time. Start off by cutting this bottom end off. Um, if you got a peeler, that's even better, but I'm gonna use this paring knife. We're gonna take the skin off of this. Now I'm gonna chop this up. Start at the big end first. I don't like mine too big, so I'm gonna chop these into 4 little squares. Now we're gonna work on our garlic. We're gonna smash these. Get that juice out. Cut the ends off. I'm just gonna chop these up. I added 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to our pot. I'm using a Dutch oven. You don't have to use a Dutch oven. You can use any pot, but this is a 5-quart Dutch oven. You can see I got the onions slightly chopped up to nice little squares. I'm gonna add the onion, celery, and carrot mixture right into there. Now we're gonna season this with a little bit of pepper. Black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and then a little bit of white pepper. We'll add a little bit of salt. Now we'll get us a real nice stir. We're gonna let these sweat down a little bit. Then we're gonna add our garlic. So our vegetables been cooking for about 5 minutes. Make a little hole in the middle. We're gonna add our fresh garlic right to it. We'll let that sit in the middle for about a minute. Then we're gonna stir it in, let it get the season for the rest of the vegetable. See the garlic starting to turn brown a little bit. Let it mix this in. Alright, now we're gonna add 8 cups of chicken stock. Chicken broth. Now we're gonna add 3 bay leaves. We're gonna add our chicken breast right to the stock. Left the fat on it. And everything. I just washed it off. It's boneless chicken breast. We're gonna let this cook for about 40 to 50 minutes. Don't start the timer until you see it boiling. That's where you want to start your timer. So I took it off the heat. We're gonna chop this up. Let this cool down a little bit. Chop this up here. Take some of this Spanish. Chicken's still a little hot, but I'm gonna put these up into little squares as best as I can. The chicken's been soaking in all that flavor that we add to the broth, so you know it's gonna have great taste to it. The same thing is gonna happen with the noodles. It's just gonna give that little pop. So this is about 2 pounds of chicken breasts. I'm gonna put this back in the pot. The first thing I'm gonna just go ahead and look for a little parts like this bristle or whatever. I want that in there, chewy. Then I'm gonna take the bay leaves out. Then we're gonna add our noodles. I'm gonna just sift through this real quick. So I added the chicken in, and I got the pot back to a boil. Now we're gonna add our noodles. I put these in the description. I got from Walmart, but I put the name in the description. I rest them off a little bit, make sure I got all this stuff up. We're gonna stir these around. Now we're gonna add our fresh parsley. Some Dill. We're gonna let this cook for 8 more minutes. All right, so we're gonna turn our eye off. Let's just look at this real quick. Oh yeah, look at that Dill. Parsley. Man, it's gonna add so much flavor. So I'm gonna let this rest for a little bit, let it cool down. We're gonna see how this tastes. So I let it rest about 15 minutes. Cool down a little bit. Boom. Bet you weren't expecting that. So noodles drop some of that moisture, taking some of that flavor. Man, can't wait to taste this. Look at that goodness. Look at them carrots. You're going to taste this. It smells so good. I'm telling you. That's screaming with flavor. Now, it's getting cold out. You know what I'm saying? Something warm to put in your belly. Something you gotta watch. One pot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video. As always, JB Southern Hands. Thank you for watching.